Hello darlings, we're a little bit close and personal. This is a little close even for me, dang. Okay, my name is Coralie. I haven't done like a makeup video on my channel in quite a while. This look is inspired by Miss Raggedy Royal, which is Lauren. I'm actually going to just like put the screenshot right here so you guys can see. It's like a butterfly, but it's not so butterfly, it's more eyeshadow with butterfly liner. Yeah, so I already did my brows. I used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio pomade in the shade Deep Brown, and for brow gel I used the NYX brow glue. I love this. This is so good, but it's sold out everywhere, so good luck, Charlie. My skin is raw. When I say raw, all the red areas in my face, like, they hurt. It's painful, but this was in my schedule today, so I have to put it. By the way, how did you guys enjoy the study vlog? I hope you did enjoy it, because ultimately this is probably most of the content that you're gonna see from me until the end of the semester, because studying is a full-time job, so you know. So I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Matte Concealer. I'm just putting it on my eyelids. Again, I would usually use the hydrating one, but because I literally have like almost Vaseline, I have healing ointments on my skin, you know, whatever. It's the makeup is probably not gonna look its best in real life today. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. For today's look, we're gonna mainly use the Beauty Bay Pastels palette, this one right here. We might dip into the ColourPop Fade into Hue, sorry. We're gonna start with the yellow shade, which is called First Light, and look at this. We're just gonna pack it into the very inner corner right here and just go at it. I'm gonna go with Golden Hour, which is the orange color right here. What I love about these matte pastel shades is they literally blur out lines on your eyes. Like, if you've ever worn matte pastel eyeshadow with no shimmers, your eyes just look so blurred. It's really unique, you know. It's like, not only is it a matte shade, but because it's a light shade, it just kind of flattens out everything, so it makes you look like super just smooth. Then I'm gonna go with Love Sick, and yes, I'm using the same brush. This was like a limited edition Ipsy brush, so you know, just find one similar. Let's talk about The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. I briefly talked about it in my previous video. While I'm filming this, only the first and second episode have been out, so there's still like 4 episodes left. So you know, whatever I say, it might not be exact because of what's gonna happen later. Let me say this right now. This show is good. Okay? It's good. So far, I very much like it. I think it's iconic. I think it's dreamy. I think it's everything one could ever want in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. It's witty, it's like, it's basically Anthony Mackie and Sebastian Stan. Like, they're a good duo. Whoever at Marvel did that casting, you ate. And they just have so much chemistry that it's honestly, it feels like we're just watching friends kind of bicker and argue, and it's great. I like that, I really do. Then I'm gonna take Euphoria, which is the pinky purple, and I'm going to put it on the outer edge, and that's the shade I'm gonna wing out the look with. So I'm really gonna like really exaggerate the wing, and yeah, we're definitely taking it there with this one because it's a necessity. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the second eye. I'm gonna complete my base because nobody wants to see that, and then I'm gonna go back for the eye, and then we'll do, you know, bronzer, blush, lips, all of that. Okay, I did my base. As you can see, it's very glowy. I powdered down under my eyes and on my smile lines because those tend to be like really extreme. But now I'm gonna go in with the shade Daydream, which is her, and I'm really gonna pack this all along. So right now, I'm just gonna kind of create kind of like a whoa, I lost my English here. But I'm just gonna kind of create like a little bit more of shadow, like right on the inner corner here, just so we can have that like wing that comes in and this comes out a little bit. Do you understand what I'm saying? But now I'm gonna take the shade Cloud Free, which is the blue. It's coming together. Remember, this look can be kind of messy at this step because you don't need that much precision right now. as much as you're gonna really need it like later when you do the whole liner situation. I should really lay my edges, but I do not feel like doing that. My skin is too raw for God to be gel. Let's talk about something. Are you ever watching a show and something happens that makes you so nervous that you can't watch the show, and so you're gonna stop watching the show for X amount of months until you muster the guts in order to get through that part, when truthfully you could just skip it. You really could just skip it. But I do this and I get like really nervous sometimes from watching shows. It's very stupid. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it's stupid because I don't understand why do I feel that way. You know what I mean? It's not that deep. Nobody's looking at me. Nobody's surveilling me. Like, it's not like if I skip the part, people are gonna come for me. They don't care. Nobody cares. I'm taking the shade Days, which is the tealish greenish blue. Now we're gonna finish with Serenity, which is the pastel green. Now we're just gonna quickly reinforce all the shades right here, just so we can have a little bit of brightness. These are pastels though, so I'm not expecting too much from them because, yeah, they're not gonna deliver that much because it's not their fault. They're pastels, you know? We're looking a little questionable, like it's not finished, you know what I mean? This is the hard part. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. She did like a big line and okay, it's pretty cool. So, first things first, we're gonna go for the very extended line, right? I don't think you're gonna be able to see me because I need to really like bend down. I'm gonna create a line that's gonna connect right here, okay? Like this. Gonna go like this. Basically, I'm creating the little, I'm sorry, I cannot do this all on camera.
Cut the cameras.
Well, now we kind of need to like thicken the line, so. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create another one like this. Just creating a line here and then filling it in. And then we're just gonna create another little divot right here. Wait, fill this in. I'm basically gonna create the same thickness around here and create those lines too. And I'm also gonna do the other eye. And I'll be right back so we can actually do the little dots. What's gonna make it come to life is the little dots that we usually see in butterflies. So instead of doing the dots in white like Lauren did them, I'm going to do them using the according pastel colors. So I'm just gonna show you, these are all from Dulzura Cosmetics and I'm gonna link them down below. This is Watermelon Wave, this is Rainbow Sherbet, this is Electric Lemon, this is Green Apple. It is green, by the way, it's not me who can't pronounce my R's, it's Green Apple. This is Tropical Punch, this is Blue Raspberry, and finally this is Berry Blast. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go yellow, orange, pink, purple, okay, with a little bit of purple close here, and the further down we go, we're gonna go purple, we're gonna go blue, teal, and green. Does that make sense to you? We're gonna basically make the little dots, okay? So I'm gonna do this and you can watch me. Oh, this is much better than I even anticipated it being. I'm very, very satisfied. As you can see, it looks really cute. Let's finish the face. So I'm going to take the Patrick Ta She's That Girl Double Take Creme and Powder Blush. Oh my god, it's so dirty. The way this blush is meant to be applied is you take the powder first. I know, shocking. And you apply it all over your cheeks and, you know, all the desired spaces you want to apply it to. I really like this. I love this blush. For me, it's like the tip of my nose and my cheeks. Some people really love putting the blush all up in their temples. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. By the way, if you ever need all the details on the look, I'm going to link the Instagram post in which I'm going to name all of those. And oh my god, when I'm going to post this, I'll be 20 years old. How does it feel to be old? Miss Ma'am. Beautiful, stunning. I am very blush heavy. I love blush. I've always loved blush, so you know, this is fun. Then what you do is you take the little cream part, and I usually take an angled brush like this. I pat it on top of the blush. This is exactly how Patrick Ta intended for his blush to be worn. This is looking a little bit intense, I won't lie. So what I'm going to do is go back with my foundation brush and just kind of tap it in. You know, tap everything in, make everything blend out a little better. Like this. For a highlighter, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio in the shade Molten Peach. Yes, mine is in a critical condition, but it's okay. I'm gonna go with a fan brush because I want really like light highlighting because my face is already quite glowy, so I just want like very, very light highlighting. Yeah, this is still like a lot of highlight in my humble opinion. I can't believe I used to wear so much more highlight before. Ah la la. Sometimes, you know, you look back and you think, was that crazy or was that like the norm? We're almost done. Hang tight. I know this has been taking a little bit of time. Oh my god, it looks so good. My mom's gonna be shook when she sees this. We're gonna start with the Dior. This is the lip glow. I just want this to give my lips like a pink tint, okay? As you can see, this is gonna get like a little pinker by the second. I'm gonna take the Pat McGrath. This is the Mini Opalust gloss in the shade Naked Rose. And I'm gonna hit it right on the lower lip right here. Oh, this picture is gonna be good. The pictures are going to be good. I really, really hope you guys cannot hear the background noise that's going on right now. So yeah, if you can, I'm so sorry. But this is it. This is the final look, inspired again by Raggedy Royal Lauren on Instagram. I'm gonna link her page down below so you guys can follow her. This it's so good. I'm sorry, this is really good. I just love this. I feel like it's very flattering too. This is it, guys. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section down below things that you enjoyed, things you'd like to see me do, you know. Be generous, give me ideas. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, darling. We love newcomers. We love people that have been there for a while. We love people. Sometimes we... Let me shut up. I'm really, really, really thankful that you watched this video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.